Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto. I'm your host, The Wolf, and today we're going to be talking about crypto and beer. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button and the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here. They have gone out. They're appearing at the top of the chat. So thank you very much for joining me. Thank you all for being part of this awesome crypto community. And with all that said, let's get rolling onto the markets and see what's happening, right? Let's see who's in the house. Ooh, that came up all weird. Why? Ooh, the chat really became super weird. Huh. Why is that? Huh. Let me see if I can fix this. No. Still on it. Should be transformed. It's weird. They have it on? It's locked. Can I move it now? How's it just chatting? Wow, that's awkward, dudes. The chat became completely weird. Is this live chat? Why can I not move it? There we go. Yeah, it wow. It shouldn't be like. There we go. Something weird happened to it. That's awkward. There we are. All right. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, it just was all weird. It went wonky. So, man, what's up? Andrew, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for joining me tonight. Thank you for being part of this awesome crypto community. Let's get rolling and let's go back to the actual chart and see what's happening here with the market cap, right? Oh, yeah, the sound of a beer opening. Nothing better than that. Except maybe wolves howling on a full moon. Alrighty. So, we had bearish divergence, moving down, hit bullish again, trying to hold a little bit. Yesterday got an indecision day. Today got an indecision day. And then for tomorrow, we're starting to go slightly on the green still. So, like I said, weekend, we might get a small rally. Not sure yet where we're going to go with this, but, you know, not going crazy here yet. Right, not going crazy here yet. Not a lot else happening since yesterday, so let's go check out the Bitcoin. Why these popping up right now? Elon, what's up, dude? Awesomeness. Alrighty. Let's see what else is happening here. Alright. So Bitcoin came all the way down to 20,111. Again, try to bounce, rejected, right? Remember, we said we might go to that 21,394, rejected that zone. Look at that. Almost spot on hit. Right now, we're going to try to go for it again. If we do try to get above it again, we're going to be going for 21,955. Otherwise, rejection, come back down to support at 20,911. And then if we break below there, 19,666. Those are the moves for Bitcoin. Not a lot else happening here. Dudes, looky here. Right. So I'm trying to see if we have anything here that we could go on that is bullish. We don't. So let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence, right? Start to break down from there. Not creating anything bullish, not even here. So, right rally. Look at that failure to get above that 21,294 again. Come back down. Support at 20,911, and then we're trying to go back up again. So very nice play here. Hitting targets and still in channel right now. Small channel, albeit, but you know, we're gonna try to break it, hopefully. And we're going to see where we go from it, right? So again, not a lot happening here on the 4 hour. About to get across the MACD over the signal line while we are below the 0 line on the MACD, right? The question is, are we above the 200 moving average so we can look at MACD strategy, right? We are not. We are below that 200 moving average, so MACD strategy would not be triggering an in, right? But at least not a strong in. Jeff Loomis, what's up, bro? All right, so looking where we could go. If we do bounce and try to get above that 21,955, we're looking then at the 20 moving average, which is going to be at $22,096, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And we're talking about potentially creating this here, remember? We didn't quite go for that move. It was an early look at what we could build. But I think we could be going for this potential double bottom. Again, I'm calling it a potential because now it's not fully there. It is creating bullish divergence still. Oh no, I shifted charts by accident. Let's see, let's go back. All right, here we go. Let's see here. All right, look at this. Bullish divergence, strong. It's barely there, man. It's barely there, right? We are coming in slightly lower here, right? Look at that, right? We are definitely coming in slightly lower, and we're definitely going higher on the right side while being oversold against strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, getting above that 20 moving average. I would not be surprised if this does try to go for 21,955. Again, we need to get above 21,294. But again, it looks like it's setting up for that move, right? It looks like it's setting up for that small move up. We might try to recover even more by Monday, but again, we have to wait until see how Sunday comes to play. But, you know, for now, potential low bottom, bullish divergence strong, looking for a potential movement up coming in here. And once we're there, we're going to see how this builds. Now, we do have some hidden divergence that's happening right now. And that is just here on this shorter move, right? And again, it's still not fully developed yet, right? We still had to wait confirmation that we're going to move sideways. But it is there now. It is there to the previous candle still. Right, so this candle is hidden bearish. Is going to try to get us to maybe hold this level. Let's get anchor this here, man, because I didn't anchor this. There we go. And again, looking for that potential low bottom, looking for that bullish divergence to come into play and get rid of this hidden divergence, right? We just need to pump a little bit more. We're going to be getting rid of it. And then we could be off to, 21,999 or whatever it is, the target that we have up here. 21,955, right? That's for Bitcoin. Let's get you got Ethereum. Ethereum at 1,589. Cool stuff. True story. Let's go on the daily, man. Let's see what's happening here. I gotta wait. There we go. All right. Got the bearish divergence strong. Yes, sir. We're looking for some hidden bullish. That hidden bullish still in play. And again, came back down almost to support at 1,566 and still waiting to see if this is going to go for a bounce, right? We don't know yet if this is going to take us higher yet, or if we have hit a bottom yet. We're still waiting. Again, this divergence could at best get us to move sideways, try to pop a bit. We need to get above 1,674. And like I said, the market's not looking super strong, right? Neutral at 42.33. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Breaking farther down here, and again, creating some strong bullish divergence finally here in Ethereum. After almost hitting that support, like I said, and looks as though we want to go for that movement up right now on bullish divergence. That would be nice. That would be nice if we go to 1,674. Right, Kevin, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for joining us tonight. You're joining from Utah. Alrighty. Oversold at 27.03. Right. Well, let's go to that 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, bullish divergence. Strong action to the upside, I bet, right? Try to go for that 20, rejected, moving farther down. We look at that. Oh no, man, where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go from here? In previous island, new island, That's what we're gonna track our divergence, right? Look, divergence, strong, bullish, potential fraction to the upside. Let's see how this rolls, right? Let's see how this rolls. And seeing here, neutral at 40.90, barely there, barely there. Again, targeting that 20 moving average. Starting to go for that 20 moving average at 1,605 and getting above there at 1,618, which might be a brief resistance, not going to be super strong. But again, we used it as support back here. So very likely it's going to become a resistance. And then we're going to try to get above that 1,674. A rejection of the 20, a rejection of 1,618, very likely come back down to 1,514 buckaroos, right? All right. Let's see. Let's see ADA real quick. All right. Where's the? All right. Why is it not letting me click? See, wait. It just wanted me to wait. For some reason, Training View asks me to wait a lot. Right, Cardano, hidden divergence, holding sideways, indecision like Bitcoin right now. Trying to go back up a bit, but failing. Not really seeing anything here that is bullish besides what we called for here with the hidden divergence. That's it. So nothing else happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Oh, look at this here, man. Right, bullish divergence, strong, man. Potential for action to the upside. Oversold at 29.10. With that, we could be looking for moving up. Got 0.47, right? 0.48 cent mark. That's a move. Bullish divergence strong. Potential fraction to the upside. We're gonna see if we do get above that. And we're gonna see if we do get above to that 48.7 cent mark, and then above there 55. But you know. Gotta wait and see, right? It's not fully taken off yet. 1 hour chart, bullish divergence strong. Pop, hit the 20, rejected. Moving farther down. Guess what's happening on that move farther down, guys? Guess what's happening? We're creating even more bullish divergence, right? Against MACD, against the RSI, right? Bullish divergence strong. Potential fraction to the upside. Got a pop, hit the 20 right now, struggling to stay above and go higher than the 20 moving average. So not a lot there. Again, support at 44.8 cents. We're going to see if we hold there, but, you know, really looking forward to that move higher and get some relief on the movement down we got on Friday. All right. Let's go back to the day. On that, I want to go back to Bitcoin real quick to check. I know we're outside of the channel already because we broke it down. Where's our Bitcoin channel? You broke down, man. Oh no, with strength. What? Also, some people are going to be saying, oh man, you probably should use wicks and tops and bottoms. We can do that. We can always adjust. I think even if we use the wicks, we're still going to be outside, so. Just gonna adjust that, and then adjust this points here. And then if we do bring this one down like that, right? Don't look that good. Still outside. I like the better where we had it. That's our channel that we're trading in. Right, high, low, high. Not quite the low, high again. High again, rejection, and breaking finally down here for this move, right? Where does the measure move of the channel lead us to? Ooh, down here to the $18,392 mark. All right, not bad. Target acquired, right? Right. Chill day today, guys. Chill day, right? It's a chill day for crypto streaming, I guess. I'm not sure. Just taking it easy. Action was okay. Again, guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord, right? We have the most awesome crypto community out there, and that is the truth. You heard it here from the Wolf. Crypto Pump, yo, what's up, dude? Can I check out ETH? Yeah. Crypto Pump coming in today. Ethereum struggling. Oh no, look at that. It just moved down a bit. I'm waiting for it to load actually because it's not letting me move. Probably gonna come in here and say wait, and I'm gonna wait. There we go. All right, so we had bearishness, moved down, hidden divergence, right? We called it yesterday. We'll see here. Still dropped a bit, getting indecision. Still, like I said, we do drop. 1,514 is gonna be there to support us. We didn't quite hit it. But again, right now indecision with the hidden divergence. Might try to hold sideways a bit, maybe even try to go for that 1,674. But you know, it would still be quite okay if we do come down here to find support at 1,514. Reason for that is the area that we're looking for support. We kind of hit it yesterday. We were a bit away. Lowest point we got to 1,524, so $5 off target. And you know, I'm waiting for the divergence to determine whether or not it's going to hold. It is hidden divergence. I'm not expecting a miracle coming out from it, but certainly potentially hold a little bit. Maybe try to reclaim that 1,674, right? Brian, what's up, dude? All right, so that's that for Ethereum on the daily 4-hour again. Bullish divergence strong, right? There's something that came here from the 1 hour. And this one I forgot to anchor. So bullish divergence strong. That tells us that we're gonna get potentially even more action to the upside. Right, starting to get that rally coming in, right? Or potential rally starting to maybe 1,674. If we do get above there, 20 moving average at 1,726, and getting above there, 1,851. Rejection of any of those zones back down to 1,514, or you know, whatever resistance we have there on the moving down. Beers, UFC, and so crypto. Ah, that's awesome, dude. Thank you very much. I'm up there with UFC and beers. Great. We're sold at 27.40. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bullish divergence strong, potential for action day upside and getting that moving up coming in. And like I said, targeting the 20 moving average at 1,605. Same move still applies, right? You try above there, 1,618, then above there, 1,674. 1,618 might be a minor resistance. I'm not waiting. I don't think it's going to pose a big threat, but waiting to see how that's going to play out, right? And below, let's see, below there again, 1,514. If we reject that 20 or reject 1,618, again, this bullish divergence should hopefully do us justice, and we might see that action coming up today. Future close at 1,681. Just FYI, awesome. Yeah, we're getting a lot of tankiness here on crypto, right? A lot of tankiness, man. I'm about to run out of beer, and I actually didn't buy another beer for today. So after this beer, I'm probably gonna have some whiskey, something along those lines. So, yeah. How about the wolves and the moons, right? We became wolves because we're howling for the moon. So we're hoping the moon's gonna come, and we're gonna go to the moon on a rocket ships, crypto. All right, Solana. Alright, what's happening here in Solana? Let's go on the daily. Last time we looked at this, we were looking for some kind of divergence way back here. Didn't play, by the way. It came up here. Came to a fib retracement that we have here from a while back. And we're still between that 786 and that 618. Bouncing in between the zone. Can we get smaller fibs? Then we can target smaller fibs here. And see where we're at on those smaller fibs. It just still gets us in between a range, right? Those smaller fibs, again, it just goes on this here zone. I'm just gonna highlight them real quick. There's fibs over fibs. It just don't look that good sometimes. But you know, from the highest point to the lowest point, as you can tell, we're range trading between that 50% retrace and that 236, right? So yeah, that's look from the high to the low, came back up, rejected close to that 50, rejected the 50 again. Not quite hitting that support spot on the 236, but still, it is the area that we're going to, likely. And we're just in a range, right? Most of the time we've been below that 382. Just a spike here above slightly. Failed to sustain that 382 again. Failed to sustain. So like most of the move even is just in this here zone, right? So again, kind of range trading here on Solana. These larger fibs, what I'm gonna do for this larger fibs is I'm gonna stop extending them. Okay, here it is. I can put it. Found it now. Yeah. Stop extending those fibs, and all I'm gonna do is just gonna bring them back here the way they were, more or less. 1 second. 00415. All right, 00415. Here we go. More or less the same. I just want to get a ballpark estimation. I don't want these fibs to be. I don't really want these fibs to be. There we go. More or less the same. To be coming over this fibs. I'm gonna be using this fibs for the shorter move. I get a larger move from the highest point to the lowest point here. We could also get some other fibs going out. These fibs come from low to high, and we'd also come from the high again here to the low here and get different fibs. And we're still probably gonna be likely trading in a range. I like the smaller ones right now. They kind of make sense, at least for the moves that we're getting right now. And yeah, Solana. Let's zoom in here and see what we have. All right, so we're definitely coming in lower here. We have bullish divergence of sorts developing, right? Let's keep this here on daily, and look at this, right? Bullish divergence strong, potential for action to the upside. We might be looking for potential movement up happening here. I'm going for that 20 moving average at 0.17. I just Solana to Bitcoin, by the way. I just noticed that. Let's go to Solana to the dollar. I have another Solana to the dollar chart. Here we go. Alrighty. This is sologenic. Where's my Solana to the dollar? Here we go. All right, Solana to the dollar. What app are you using for the layover of the wolf? Called APEPES. It's called APEPES. Yeah. Wonder if we can make skins. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we can make skins for the wolf overlay. That'll be awesome though. Alrighty. So we do have, or we're gonna get smaller fibs in here, I think. And then I did something. Oh no! Wait, were this fibs here before we came in? Yeah, they probably were. So we're probably targeting something here in shorter moves. Let's get rid of this. Let's get better fibs coming out, larger fibs coming out for this. Again, high to low, gonna target the same thing, and probably gonna be balancing between fibs just as well. Right, we're not even making any kind of good retrace here. What? No layover. This is reality. Can you link Martin? What do you mean, can you link Martin? I'm here. Yeah, so what do we have here? Higher, lower, and lower. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish. Just sold at 37.35. We had bullishness against Bitcoin. That means so a lot of might try to gain ground against Bitcoin. Again, it is going up. And here, bullish divergence strong, starting to develop within the same island, right? Just within the same island, but still looking for potential movement up coming in here. Sold at 32.34. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Again, 20 moving average would be a target around 37.92 cents. That is the area that we're looking for, right? That is the area that we're looking for. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, going up. I'm going to go for that 20 moving average, very likely at 35.91. That will be the target I will be looking for right now on this, right? So, yeah. Yeah, just hit me up after stream, Jorge, and then we can talk, Bearish divergence, strong, hidden here. Part of the reason that we moved down again. Bullish divergence strong coming in. You're gonna see that moving up. I'm hoping that we do get above that 20. There's really not a lot to look at here. We're not making any kind of cool valid retrace. We're not making any kind of cool little moves that we could go for. No double bottoms, no inverse head and shoulders, nothing like that. So nothing really quirky to look at, right? For Solana. So I'm not really super hopeful. I think it should get a move up potentially. I'm just not sure when, and I'm not seeing it clearly right now. That's the thing I can tell you for sure. So let's go back here to Bitcoin. All right, I'm a wolf. There's really not a lot I can do here, man. I can just change. I think I can change. Clothing, some colors like fur color, head size, ear size, eyes colors, nose color, nose size, change some body accessories, I guess. Yeah, and I'm not sure I can change. Yeah, cancel. And then I can change, some of the accessories here on the head as well. That's about it though, right? Really not a lot. Not a lot. Can have a Seamus hat, sorta. Ha! It's a me, Wolf Seamus, doing the stream tonight. I am a wolf with a tall hat. Let's just say revert. I don't want that. Don't save. Go back to the way I was. I like my beer helmet. Ah, there we go. I look like a wolf at a construction site. All right, guys. Again, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Right, join us in the Discord. Links have gone out here.
What's up?
What's up, everyone? What's up? So, yeah. What else, guys? What else are we gonna be looking at here? Anyone got anyone got any requests here for the Wolfman? Please let me know. It's all good. It's all good here in the cryptosphere. We're just chilling. Again, I just feel like today is like a chill day, right? It just like I really didn't even look at the charts today. was not expecting a lot of the market. And again, none of the alerts went off, so like I knew nothing weird was happening. It's just like it's kind of cool when it's just a chill weekend and you're allowed to, you know, just enjoy the time and not be looking at the charts. But it's fairly good. It's fairly good. It's freaking awesome. I love this. I love this. Ah. What else we gonna be doing, man? What else gonna be looking at, man? Please let me know on the chat. Alright? Ha. I'm trying to see the cameras capturing me, right? It isn't. Ha. GMT, Algorand. Alright, cool. We can do both. Ha, none of that. Here we go. GMT, Greenwich Meridian Time. Okay. Again, if anything, some sort of Bitcoin formation happening here, you know. I'm just saying Bitcoin formation because it looks like what Bitcoin was doing. Again, Bitcoin was a little bit on an upsloping channel. This looks to be a little bit also like an upsloping channel, maybe even a small rise in wedge, breaking to the downside, so no surprise there, right? Shorter move here, even from here, coming in lower. Sold at 36.67, so nothing here that is bullish, right? There's probably not going to be making any valid feed retracements. So that goes out the window. Sitting at 80 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, look at this, man. Looky here. Bearish divergence strong before we get that massive move down. Now, I don't think we have anything here bullish. I'm gonna have some in here quite a bit. Maybe some bullish divergence on this last portion. I'm not gonna be super hopeful about this one. It's gonna be a kind of medium divergence at best, medium bullish. Medium bullish divergence, potential fraction on the upside. Starting to get some small move up, right? If we do go higher, we're gonna be aiming for that 20 moving average. That's gonna be sitting at 86.52 cents. It's gonna be a target that we could be looking for. Sold at 32.48, and again, not looking really bad here. It would be nice to see that movement up coming in, and it will be kind of in tune with what we've seen with some of the other projects, right? That there is some kind of bullishness happening. We're just waiting for it to finally trigger. Even here, let's zoom in here. I mean, it's just so freaking close. Where did we close here? Look, closing 76.99, closing 77.06, right? So it's like 0.0000 and a fraction off. It's just you know, it's just kind of there, but I can't really say that this is what's you know, bullish divergence. It's just barely there. I don't even want to get medium divergence, medium bullish divergence. Also, there's not a lot of bearishness happening, just some hidden bearish divergence. So on the best case scenario for this one on the 1 hour, maybe, man, there's a big maybe here. Maybe some sideways motion. So continuation of that sideways motion. Right. Other than that, not really seeing a lot happening. If we do pop, even on a shorter move, also not making any valid retraces. So must get above this high here and then try to go for that 85-cent mark. But not really seeing a lot here as far as bullishness. First to get some strong move to the upside, right? What's it for GMT? No double bottom, no cool things like that. I mean, here you could say kind of looks like a quick double bottom. Hopefully plays like a small double bottom, but you know, it's I'm just gonna draw this tiny thing here. I'm not gonna really try to go for the double bottom. I'm not really trying to go for the double bottom, but that's what could kind of be happening here. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries, Brian. Let's go check out Algorand. All right, Algorand. Cool. By the way, it's outside of any kind of fibs or anything that we could have had for this. So let's get rid of this fibs here. They no longer do us any good. We're at support. Now we haven't, you know, 29.05. Still holding that same support. Bearishness, some hidden bearish. I think I'm gonna have to double check. No, slightly lower. So no hidden bearish. Bullish divergence. Oh, let's see. No bullish divergence. Sold at 34.11, right? On the 4 hour. Bullish divergence strong on this shorter move. Right on this move here. Bullish divergence strong. That should be indicating a potential for a reversal on the trend. So maybe looking for some action to the upside. That would be what I would be kind of expecting to get here. Oversold at 27.22, so bullish divergence strong. While oversold, definitely should be looking for maybe some pump to a 20 moving average at 31.94. If we do get above there, we will be targeting around 33.6, and then above there we're gonna be targeting 37. If we fail at the 20, looking for that 29.05. All right, let's go to the 1 hour chart. By the way, it's raining outside. I know the rain. Anyways, what's happening here? What is happening here, man? Ooh, look at that. Bullish divergence strong. Potential for action to the upside. Gotta try to get that motion up to 20 moving average at 30.46. Almost there. Have this bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Right, not seeing a lot happening right now. Also, as far as you know, bearishness, maybe some hidden divergence from the high point to here, but that's what got this movement down, right? So nothing else after that is the bullish divergence developing. So that bullish divergence should be, like I said, trying to get us to where we go slightly higher, right? So get above that 20 and then get above this previous high here at 31, and then we're looking for that 33-cent mark, 33.56, right? Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you for requesting this, bro. Back to the corn man. Back to the corn man. All right, it is trying to rally. It's trying to get rid of that hidden divergence that we talked about, which is pretty good. Again, like I said, you're looking for that 21,394. Not quite rid of it yet. Not quite rid of it yet, right? Almost. Getting above that 21,300 would certainly get rid of that divergence against the RSI, but it's going to immediately create strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? So that's going to come higher, and then this one's going to start coming into play, right? Just watch out if we do get above that this divergence could come into play. But for now, it is the best move that we could do to try to go higher above at 21,000. 21,312. That's our target, guys. That's our target. So, yeah. Let's see how this keeps on doing. Ethereum trying to recover some of the losses from yesterday at 1,202. And let's go see how our APEPES are doing. Oh, they're at 0.49. I see 0.49. Yeah, 0.49. All right, so they've gone up a bit since yesterday. I'm glad I didn't end up selling some. But I do want to end up selling some at some point in time, I think. I'm going to end up selling some of these APEPES. Just not sure where or when. For me, it's easy. I could just look by, just go here and look at, for example, I know I have one that has a silver stud. So if I just go click here, silver stud, it'll tell me that the floor for silver stud is 5, and then the next one's 5.9. So you could say that after the current floor, the next target jump is at about 0.6 Ethereums for a silver stud earring. I'm ignoring this one because I think this one can get swept up really quick. Even current prices, I know one of them has like a patch, and then another one has like open eyes, like so. You go here real quick with the eyes. Go with the. Where's eye patch? Eye patch. Here we go. Cheapest eye patch at 0.64, right? So I know that my APEPE with an eye patch is gonna go for 0.64, and then robot eyes. I just want to say robot eyes. 0.51, then 0.5. All right. So my best bet. I know the one that has robot eye has a silver stud, so go for the silver stud, then go for the robot eye. So about 0.6 point something. Not bad, man. Hey, so you doing super chats? Yeah, I guess. I mean, they should be enabled. I haven't disabled them, so. Thanks for asking, though. I'm not sure what you need with the super chat, but I think it should be there. I'm out of beer. I need to get more beer or drink. I'm out of beer actually, so not just physically, but also in the house. I'm out of beer, so I'm probably gonna have whiskey or something. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. My friend Fassy's cash just asked about super chat, so I'm not sure if their super chat is gonna come in. I don't want to miss it in case it does come in. Otherwise, let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. And dude, I'm just what else I have? Hex Huddle, what's up, dude? Fast, easy cash. Dude, thank you very much for the kind, awesome donation, dude. Much appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for that kind, awesome donation. MCRT, yeah, sure, man. Why not? Which MCRT do you need me to look at? There's a couple ones. Or it's been a while since you've been on YouTube. Awesome, dude. Yeah. It's on Dex Tools. All right, I'll check it on Dex Tools. And let's see. Is it is MCRT? All right, there's a couple contracts for this. Just let me know which one you need me to look at, right? Richard had great interviews lately, several since BitBoy's appearance. Valuetainment Channel had him on The Wolf of Wall Street on and J-Wall today. Awesome. I am a wolf. I'm just not on Wall Street. Top one. All right. Wrap Binance to MCRT. Please show me the charts. Here we go. Thou shalt show me thy charts. All right. Let's try to get this to where we can see it a little better. Maximize it to the best of its abilities. Alrighty, let's go to MCRT on the daily. Let's just wrap Binance to MCRT. So MCRT, I guess, has been losing value against wrap Binance according to the chart. There's one Binance equals 0.17 MCRTs. The fact that we see a rise here, it just means that MCRT is going down, right? Let's see if we have anything here. I'm just gonna have to zoom in here. I can't. It's not working. There's nothing bearish, by the way. I just finished checking. He's been a tear lately. All right. Oh, dude, it just went downhill. It even went to lower points than since it came out. We haven't looked at this in a long time. So am I looking at this right? Or maybe it's going higher against Binance. I always get it mixed up when I'm looking at this weird pair to pair. So I just need to get the high point and the low point so see if we're making any kind of valid retraces here. Yeah, definitely trying to get above that 236. That's going to be interesting. All right, so we're starting to recover here, right? Trying to recover. All right. I'm trying to see if there's anything here that we're missing, but we're not. So let's go to the 4 hour. Looks like we're double topping here, by the way, right? It just kind of looks like a double top. Let's see what this closing here is. 1.9. Oh, crap, Binance's. Then point 0.19. Am I a gamer? I used to be. I don't play that much anymore. I rarely have time. 960, 1920. Definitely going slightly higher here. It's just slightly, right? Not a lot. And we have some strong bearish divergence against MACD and the RSI. This might just indicate the price of this. Could go down. We already gone down to that 20, trying to hold support. Nothing bullish coming in afterwards, right? So gonna go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, see if we have anything there. Just not really seeing a lot here on this one. Again, just the bearishness. Looking for moving down, holding support at the 20. Let's go to the 1 hour. I never looked at the project. What's that? What's the actual game? I guess. Just looking for the divergences right now. Again, bearish divergence strong, potential for moving down, getting that moving down below 20, trying to get above it, rejecting, but move still farther down here. Just watch out for that move. Neutral at 48.04. Not a lot happening there, man. It's just a bearish divergence coming in. Trying to give that action downside here on the MCRT to the dollar. All right, this is MCRT to the dollar here. I'm not sure why up here it's right Binance to MCRT, but it's MCRT to the dollar. So I'm looking at a dollar chart. That's pretty good. Just a bit confused there for a second. But yeah, seeing it to the dollar, it just makes it a lot easier. So we're definitely going to be looking for action to downside. So we might lose value here. And then on the 4-hour chart, again, had some kind of bearishness. And then on the daily, we were trying to really go for that moving up. So we might lose some value here on you know, the bearish divergence that we're looking at. So we're gonna see how that's gonna come into play. So retrace a bit. Where you think the points are? Retraces a bit. Oh man. Let's see if we have some line here. Trying to look at see more or less where we held. And see if they kind of make sense with inception levels. So again, kind of sort of makes sense here to have some kind of support around that 0.006 cent mark. Also have some kind of support here. Again, what am I calling for support at this zone? Once we rip through it, coming back down, we kind of hit this zone and then hit it here as a resistance as well. Right, so we can see the move for this one here at 1.3 cents. We're looking at that, you know, once we came down again, we bounced at that zone and then we rejected it and then we just went downhill. So we're looking for support there around 1.3, then 0.67 cents and then 0.16 cents, right? So fractions of a cent. The 20 moving average definitely they're gonna be there to catch us as well if we do move down. Those could be targets for this, right? Those could be targets for this project. Alrighty. So as far as anything else, again, it's just trying to go parabolic. So I'm not seeing anything else, you know, that's kind of cool to look at as far as patterns. No cup and handle, no, nothing like that. So it's let's do this. This is Magic Craft, by the way. I'm trying to open the site. Oh, interesting. I have to go back and look at this for it's kind of like a World of Warcraft, or is it kind of like this looks like it's gonna be on mobile, by the way the controllers look. Or is it kind of like a League of Legends? I'm not sure what kind of game we're looking at here. It might be a little bit more like a League of Legends, I guess. I think we've looked at this project before. I remember both of them being on a project, so. Move back here to the 1 hour real quick. I just want to see where we're at. It's not opening the chart. We're just waiting for it. Yeah, I was trying to come back here to see the cup and handle. I just it's not loading now. So. I can't play trailers, dude, because then I get strikes and things like that. So I have to watch it offline. But it looks like it could be an interesting game. So back to the something that we're looking at. I guess Ethereum going down a bit. Bitcoin also pulling back. Yeah. That Bitcoin pulling back a bit. Well, the thing is, the sound comes through, so I'm gonna have to watch it off the air, though. Yeah. What happened here? Yeah, we just managed to close slightly lower, right? So that hidden divergence is still coming to play, putting pressure on that price. Like we said it could. You see an upper wedge on the hourly and the cup and handle on the hourly. You get drawn on your chart, but you're talking about the MCRT coin, right? The MCRT chart that we were looking at. I gotta go back to it. It wasn't loading, so I'm not sure why it was not loading. So. Oh, here we go. Now it loaded. When I was loading it a couple of seconds ago, it didn't want to load. So let's go to the 1 hour. You see a cup and handle. All right, couple things first. You got to get a 30% rally before the first motion. I think you do have it, so you definitely have that. Lips are not at the same height. All right, that's one of the things I'm looking for. Lips. Even if we go wick to wick, right? The wick's much higher. So lips are not at the same height. You do want the lips to at least be the same height. You want to get a nice round formation here. Your handle portion has to be above 50% retracing. Let's see. Let's say this is a lip and this is the other lip. Are we above that 50%? So yes, we are above the 50%. And that's 618. At most, we've wicked at 50%. So yeah, I mean, aside from the fact that we don't have that second, that second lip being the same height as the first lip. Yeah, it could kind of look like it could kind of look like a cup and handle. And then you said there's also a rise and wedge happening. I mean, rise and wedge will definitely be bearish. Cup and handle is going to be bullish. So you're looking at a pattern that is bearishness for this, right? Rise and wedges tend to break down. They bring buyer exhaustion. And then cup and handles tend to go up. So you're looking at an undecided pattern. You're looking at two different things that are undecided. Now, the only thing I can tell you is that you do have some bearishness happening. I already talked about the move coming up higher and then coming in lower here. So at least the movement down is already coming in. And the thing is, if that cup and handle happens to form, you're looking at least at a 34. I would say, I gotta look at the book for the actual number, but looking around the 30+% gains once you break that lip again. So let's say the lip's here at 2 cents, or 2 cents. You're looking at a 30% gain from there, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty nifty. Yeah, it's nifty. That is, where you should go. But you should take profits on the way up. If that is going to be the pattern, that's going to be coming into play. Unless you have some other information that will tell you that this is going to go higher because of the game or development or something else happening. There could be fundamentals at play. So am I aiming towards bearish? Yeah, the bearish divergence would suggest a movement down. That's what gets you to form that handle portion. So you have to wait and see if that handle forms. If it doesn't form, you could be looking for bearishness. Yeah, I mean, that's a fundamental thing, and that could bring the price higher, right? That could bring the price higher because fundamentals affect the market differently from technicals, right? Yeah. Yeah, but on a bullish market and bullish conditions, oversold or higher size could stay high for a long time. They're not set in stone. 7 exchanges in 7 weeks, 1 per week coming. Yeah, that could definitely bring it some nice potential, and that's a fundamental thing. That's why I said fundamentals aside. You gotta look at what else is happening there on the fundamentals. So yeah, you could be getting some nice action to the upside there with those fundamentals. Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you very much for asking, and thanks for the kind and awesome donation, man. Much appreciated. Much appreciated, my friend. Trying to see why my wolf keeps looking so low every time I look. I'm looking there. I'm looking straight. Oh, there we go. I know why. I think I changed the pitch. There we go. Ah, much better. All right. Let's see what else, guys. What else? Gonna be calling it a stream here shortly. So I think I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Again, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a freaking imaginary 3D wolf. So don't trade based on what an imaginary wolf says. With that said, thank you very much for watching again. All the information for educational entertainment. Join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. Like bell sub on the way out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.